one of these TriStars is not like the other. My older, I think it's a 1971 C8, is missing this cord rewinder here. It's just the way I got it. Kind of wonder where this thing went. So I searched tremendously everywhere, rather frantically online. Where can I find the nifty little cord winder? And I found one store, I think it was in northern Ohio, that had one. And here it is. And that is exactly what you get in the kit. Instructions and everything. So I get a big kick out of this. It's still a flathead screw. I mean, really, you can't include like a Phillips or a hex or anything like that. That's what it is. And you got this little sticky pad right here. And I kind of wonder, unless there's a nifty little hole in the middle of this pad, like the way that it wants you to install this, I think I might have to like punch or drill a little hole through it, because otherwise this isn't going to go in there very well. So let's install this cord winder to this C8. All right, following the instructions, gotta peel off these little doodads here so it's sticky. And I'll take this, put the screw through there. Kind of wobbles around a little bit. Put it into the pad. And it's sticky, all right. Well, that looks kind of weird, but that's what you got. That's what you got. All right, holding it from the underside in here is a little bit easier. Whoops. Easier, but not maybe the most perfect way. Let's see if I can get this screw started. Oh, it's not grabbing yet. Come on. You can do it. All right. It's grabbing. I swear that sticky pad, maybe I should trim that. So it's on. It's not going anywhere, but it's not exactly the greatest thing from a cosmetic standpoint. I mean, look at that big blob, but I can get a little like X-Acto knife. I can just trim that off and that'll look a little better. So that's probably what I'll end up doing. Now I can wrap the cord. Very happy about that. Oops, put my little cap there. Yay. So now I have two of them that look like this. Fantastic. Thanks for watching.